Let's look at your first composition. So your first composition should be the simple volumes composition. This is an assignment where you got 7 simple volumes and you form a composition with them. And yeah, this is how it should look like. Again, it's a beginner drawing, it's full of perspective mistakes. For instance, the tiling here needs to go in perspective. So there's the tiling over here, and the horizon line on the top third. Right? And yeah, these simple volumes have, some of them have texture. Obviously, the texture is not very well drawn. This should be wood grain on the prism here and on the pyramid. Right. So hopefully this gave you like a small glimpse in what your first composition should look like. Keep in mind this is a very large drawing. This is a B2 sheet. It's a 50 by 70 centimeter sheet. Cool. Hope you got a lot from this tutorial. Enjoy your time drawing. Take care, draw nicely.